Hi, class. So today I am going to do my podcast on the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. In this week's class discussion, we talked a lot about e-readers and how many e-readers aren't ADA accessible. And I bought my Kindle Paperwhite a few months ago, and I just really needed a device in which it would substitute a textbook because I wasn't able to get my textbook in time. And never did I thought that, to check if the Kindle Paperwhite was ADA accessible, because all I needed was just something to read. But now that I took this class, I am able to give you a review of it. So the Kindle Paperwhite is Amazon's newest e-ink Kindle, and there has been a lot of really great reviews about this e-reader, and it's very high in demand right now. In my opinion, it's one of the best e-readers out there if you're just looking, for something basic. The Paperwhite has shifted even further away from accessibility, and it has eliminated audio and text-to-speech altogether. And the reason why is that Amazon wanted to create a very thin and compact Kindle. So Amazon also created other versions of Kindles prior. They have the Kindle Fire, the Kindle Touch, etc., and the Kindle 2. Basically, these other Kindles have other ADA accessible features that this one doesn't have. So, if you're looking for a text-to-speech function, I would recommend the Kindle Fire. That one is more has more features in regards to it can read text and then have someone read out aloud to you. So that's the e-reader from Amazon that I would recommend if you're looking for something that's more ADA accessible. But what's really good about this Kindle is for those who have low vision. This Kindle is really great for that. One feature is that you can enlarge the fonts. So let me go ahead and try it right now. So I'm gonna turn on this e-reader. I'm gonna swipe to unlock the Kindle. So this is what you see. If you left off on your book, it will go straight to the page. So as you can see, this book ebook e-reader kind of resembles a page on an actual book, which I really like. And then you would swipe it to change the pages, as you can see. And then when you tap the top of this the screen, you'll have this drop down menu. As you can see here, the capital A and lowercase a, that's the font function. So when you click it, I apologize, when you touch it, let me go this again, you'll have this feature that will come up. You'll have anywhere from the smallest font to the largest font. So this is really good for those who are visually impaired and aren't able to see smaller size fonts. You can enlarge it. Let's enlarge it to the largest font. Let's change the line spacing to have the most space in between the two lines. And then when you go click back to the screen, you'll see this. So as you can see, that's a huge difference. Those who are visually impaired can definitely utilize this function. Another great function about this is the lighting. So if you're have some visual impairments too, where you will need a brighter screen, this is perfect. So I'm gonna just close the light to see this function. So this is what it will look like in the dark, or if you're outside in low light. So when you click the bulb, you'll have the option. So right now it's kind of neutral, it's in the middle. So if you click low light, as you can see, you can't see the screen at all, barely. But if you want it to be the brightest, you'll click the option 24. So you can play around with this so it can suit your visual needs. So let's change this back to what it was originally. So I'm going to click the font, just put it in the middle, and regular line spacing. So this is the Kindle Paperwhite. For those who are hearing impaired, I wouldn't recommend this device whatsoever. Visually impaired, it's not that best of a device. Only if you have some visual impairments where you can actually see, but you need the text larger, or you need to change the brightness of the e-reader. For those who are physically disabled, it's a very compact device where you can grab it with your hand easily, or it's not heavy where it's taxing on the body. So overall, I really like the Kindle Paperwhite, but in my opinion, it's not the best e-reader out there that's ADA accessible. So thank you for watching my podcast, and hope you tune in for the next one. Thank you.